Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to solve microphone and camera is not working in Zoom mobile application. Yes, once you installed Zoom application, your microphone or camera is not working properly means if you are going into any meeting, you cannot able to talk and you cannot able to show your face. Yes, in this session I would like to share how to solve microphone and camera is not working in mobile app, how to solve that problem. Let's see. Before that, kindly subscribe HowXT channel and click the bell icon so that you can get the useful videos and the notification. Yes, in your mobile, if you install Zoom application, yes, kindly verify this is your Zoom application. So before you are joining into the meeting, you need to check your camera mic is working properly or not. Do not join any other meeting. Just close the application and go to Chrome browser. Yes, I have opened the Chrome browser. Just search in Google Zoom test. Yeah, so just type Zoom test in Google search box, so it will direct you to the join a test meeting in Zoom. Once you click join a test meeting in Zoom, automatically it will open like a zoom.us-test. This is a test meeting, so whether your camera and mic are working properly or not, just click join. So automatically you can join as a participant, whether you want to join with the Chrome browser or Zoom application. Just click Zoom application and just once I click, automatically without joining my meeting, the test meeting will be start over there. Yes, you can able to check your mic and cameras working, call over the internet, just click yes, and once you click mic will be on, and once you click a camera, yes, my camera is working properly. I can able to check, and if I want to change my camera from front to back, also working properly. Yes, so now I can mute and unmute my mic. This is a testing purposes Zoom has given. Without your joining any other meeting, you need to check whether your mic and camera is working properly. Yes, I can able to stop my video and check my video as well as my camera is working properly. Yes, you would like to share anything, you can able to share, because this is only testing, we can't able to share any other files. And you can check your participant list and all meeting setting, chat, everything is there. So my Zoom application working properly. Once I join a participant, I can able to work with a different kind of options. I can't able to check whether my mic is working or video camera is working properly. In this test option will help you whether your mic and camera is working properly. Yes, if your mic and camera is not working properly, what is the next step I would like to say? Just leave the meeting first. Yes, I have left my meeting. Yeah, close the meeting application. So this is one of the step, and the next step, just to go to Zoom application. Yes, just select Zoom application. Press on the Zoom application. It will ask you app information. Once you click app information, you need to give the permission option. Just click permission. Once you click the permission, and it will show you allowed and denied. So there are allow option and deny option is there. If your microphone and camera is not working, just click camera, yes. If the option is deny means it's reject, means just press allow. So this option should be allow only, so your camera will work, and this option should be allow. The microphone also should be allow. Do not give deny. If your microphone and camera is deny means you won't get a camera and microphone, you can't able to talk. This is a major important option. So denied option we have given. If you want, you can storage and contact details, everything we can able to allow according to your needs. You can able to do that. So this app permission, where I get again, just to go to the setting option, you will find a app and notification, and you can select see all application and select for Zoom application. Yes, exactly, it will come down because this is a Zoom application, automatically that option will open here. This is app information. Once I click permission, you can give allowed option or denied option. If your camera and mic is denied, it means you need to give allow so that your camera and mic will work properly. Thanks for watching. Have a great and good day.